tomato. I am mean. Red color. I am vegetable. Everyone likes me. This is a brinjal. Color in purple. Used as a vegetable in cooking. Everyone likes me to eat. The carrot is a root vegetable, orange in color. Kira is well known as cucumber is a creeping vine, commonly eaten as a vegetable. I make your body cool. What is the price of tomatoes? 20 rupees per kg. The price is too much.
Take into baskets. Give to madam.
అందరు చూడండి లౌడ్ స్పీకర్ అందరు సైలెన్స్.
ఖమ్మంలో గొడవ జరుగుతుంది.
వైరాలో
గొడవ జరుగుతుంది.
బస్ స్టాండ్.
కొట్టుకుంటున్నారు. నిహారిక.
ఓకే ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
First of all, you have to open an account in bank with your KYC. KYC means, do you have Aadhaar card? Yeah, that is KYC. With your Aadhaar card, you will give an application. After filling your application, here in our system, you will open an account. Okay, now. Yeah, it is there. 0 to 10 years and 10 years old. Okay, for everybody you can open an account. For small kids, you open an account with your parent Aadhaar card and your Aadhaar card. Okay, na? If you sell means individually you can give an account. You understand it? Any other questions? Do you have accounts with the money? Everybody is having that?
Thank you. Say thanks.
మేడం